eating my mom's porridge for my hiking today.
Okay, good morning everyone. It's 6:30 in the morning and I am in Jelebu, Negeri Sembilan. So I'm waiting for the rest of my team members to arrive, and then we shall start the journey from here to Jeram Enggang and Tiga Lapis. That's a waterfall in Negeri Sembilan. Kampung chicken tastes delicious.
This is one of the hikes where the waking up in the morning, the driving, and also the 4-wheel drive trip is actually much tougher, much longer than the hike itself. So it will take about 30 minutes to reach the campsite. Then from there, we will go to Jeram Tiga Lapis first, which is just next to the campsite. Then after that, take photos and all, then we will go down to the Jeram Enggang, which is the main fall, the big one. Overall distance about 4, actually 2-way, around 4 km. The upper level of Jeram Enggang you can also go, I can bring you, but it's very slippery. So those who are anybody wearing sandals today? Slippers got a K-lamp and whistle is mandatory whatever hike they do. All very well equipped. We are a bit different than other groups. The peak, the destination does not run away, does not disappear overnight. It is always there. Alright, so if you reach there first, second, third, there is no prize money also. Okay? So it's very important that we hike together, no rushing, right? No tunjuk terror. But hey, this is a group event, it's a group event, so we hope that everyone can hike together. We are here together in the morning. We hope we can reach the waterfall together as a team. And we also lead as a team as well.
Here comes the rest.
Kita hati-hati lah. Lagi satu, sekarang ni cuaca kurang cantik. Kita musim sebelah ni hujan lebih sikit, jadi keadaan terlicin. Jagalah diri kita.
Just stop. Jeram Tiga Lapis. First 2 layer, as you can see here, and this is the third lapis. Third layer. Finally, we're here in Jeram Enggang. I'm going to enjoy my Samwong Sao Yok Shop here in the beautiful Enggang, Jeram Enggang waterfall with my friends. Okay, I'm sharing my porridge with my newfound friend Anne-Marie. Okay, I give her a little bit more. Some spring onion. Okay, enjoy yourself. Okay, I'm going to pour all the spring onion into my flask because I love spring onion. Okay. I'm going to enjoy my porridge now. Top of Jeram Enggang. Okay. And I'll be going down to the base camp.
All very, very sporting. All able to work as a team. That's actually very, very important.
Now we are waiting for the 4-wheel drive pick us up and go home. Okay, back to civilization. I knew it when I received my messages. So just completed my Jeram Enggang and 3 Tiga Lapis waterfall hike. So I'll see you guys next round. Bye. And now I'm heading back to Kuala Lumpur.